Tiger Woods adding some new hardware to his collection, receiving the Presidential Medal of Freedom. President Donald Trump sharing, "Congratulations, Tiger Woods, you are truly one of a kind." The ceremony took place in the Rose Garden at the White House on Monday. The golfer shared on Twitter, "It's an incredible privilege to be awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Considering the recipient's history and what this means to me and my family, it's also very humbling. Thank you for all of your support, and I hope this inspires others to never give up on their dreams."